Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another powerful strategy that you can use to make money online. Even if you're just getting started, you have no products to sell, you have no inventory, you have no experience. This is an amazing strategy that you can get started with this very moment. So I'm going to be talking all about how you can make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. So do make sure you are taking notes and implementing the strategies as we go along. Okay, so on that note, let's dive into the training. Okay, so first things first, before we get into the video, for those of you guys who are not familiar with this process, let's talk a little bit about what affiliate marketing is. So affiliate marketing in simple terms is the process of promoting or recommending other companies' products and earning commissions per sale. Think about it. A lot of us do affiliate marketing every single day, but we're just not aware that we are. If you really think about it, we are constantly recommending other products to people. When people ask you questions like, where did you buy this? Where did you buy that outfit? Where did you buy those shoes? You are recommending all those companies and you are not making any money in exchange. And this is why affiliate marketing is so powerful, because you can be doing the exact same thing, guys. You can be out here just recommending products like you are already doing. In exchange for that, you can actually send people to your own affiliate link. Okay, this is the difference between just recommending products for free and actually recommending them as an affiliate. So when somebody comes to you and they're asking you where you bought something, or what products are you using for your skincare, your skin looks amazing, you can tell them, hey, hang on a second, here's a link, you can go purchase the products via that link. And if they go on to purchase that product via your unique referral link or your affiliate link, the company is going to pay you a percentage commission. So it's literally just doing exactly what you're probably already doing right now. And in exchange for that, you are in fact getting paid. And this is the beauty of affiliate marketing. It is the most natural and the most organic way to make money online. So many people struggle with affiliate marketing because, they overcomplicate the whole thing. They are actually treating it as a get rich quick scheme, and they're out here spamming links everywhere and trying to get complete strangers to buy their products. That's not the way to do it, guys. Okay, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys the right strategy for affiliate marketing and how you can actually tap into this strategy using Clickbank affiliate marketing. Okay, so to get started, of course, the first thing you need to do is you need to create a Clickbank affiliate account. Okay, so in order to register for your Clickbank account, if you just go to Google and just do a search for Clickbank, as you can see right there, that's the website that you want to check out, okay? And you can just go there, guys, and register for your free account. So to do that, you want to go to the login section. And then if you just scroll down there, where it says need a Clickbank account, you can just create an account here. Okay, and all you really want to do here is you want to go ahead and just complete the form. It's really self-explanatory, straightforward. It's just going to ask you for your details, your phone number, address, and to create your username and password. And then make sure you agree to the terms and conditions and create your account. And usually you should have your account set up in a matter of just minutes, okay? Now we have a Clickbank account registered. The next thing you want to do is you want to find some products to sell. Now, once you're registered with Clickbank, you will be able to access the marketplace. This is where you're going to be able to find different products to sell. Again, if you want to find the category that is most relevant to what we are trying to sell. So let's say you wanted to tap into health and fitness, or, diet and weight loss. So I'm just going to go to health and fitness here, and then I'm going to go to diet and weight loss, assuming that I want to promote a weight loss product. So when you come here, you can see there's a ton of different products on the diet. Now, these are products that are already being sold in this platform. And if I just go on to promote these products, this is literally what I could be earning if somebody actually went on to click my link and purchase that product. So there's a smoothie diet here that I could potentially be promoting. And, the conversion rates are around $21.27 on average. So that's how much money I could be making per sale. So there's different products here. So all you want to do, guys, is you just want to kind of go through all the different products, and then you want to see which of those products resonate with what you are trying to sell. Okay, now I always recommend that when you're looking for products to promote, go with the products that actually pay you a nice high commission. So this is a nice $125.90 per sale on average. That's a sweet commission, guys, that you could earn for just promoting that product. Look at this one, $143.23. You can see right here, this product can actually pay us a commission of $146.19, which is just amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the product and see what it looks like. So when it comes to finding the best products to promote on Clickbank, the first thing I'll recommend is that you go to the actual website, educate yourself, watch the video, educate yourself on the product, because if you are going to be promoting something, it's really, really important that you understand what the product does, things like the ingredients, as in the case of this product, for example, because that's also going to help you with creating content that attracts people to buy the product. Another thing I love about this product is the fact that you can actually earn recurring monthly commissions. This is a product that obviously runs out, which means someone's obviously going to come back in the next month and the month after, and they'll continue to buy these pouches, especially if they are offering them some result, right? So the more they buy the products, the more commissions you make. This means you can actually just get one lead and generate recurring monthly commissions forever, for as long as they continue to buy that product, literally. And it just makes it a very, very easy way, guys, to generate that passive income, because all you're doing moving forward, guys, is just generating monthly recurring commissions from those products that you promoted. I have affiliate products that I promoted in 2020, guys, that are still generating me monthly commissions in this year 2024, because they are recurring monthly based products. Okay, so people actually sign up and then they pay every single month, and then I also get to earn a commission. So, and then I'll look at a sales page, look at the content in the sales page. Does the website look professional enough? Does it talk about, the benefits of the product? What problems is it actually solving for the customer? Is it something that's going to attract people to buy the product? Because you don't want to waste your time creating content, going out there and recommending the product, then people come to a website that isn't built to convert. Okay, so make sure that you read through all the content, and then even better, check out if they have things like reviews and testimonials, because that's really amazing. Things like guarantees are also great, because it also gives customers that peace of mind and that assurance that they can actually try out the product, and they've got 60 days, guys, of money back, guaranteed, if they don't get any results and things of that nature. And then I'll also look at things like reviews and testimonials. So I'm just trying to see if I can find anything like reviews and testimonials on the website, because that also usually helps. I don't see any reviews and testimonials here at the moment. If you can find reviews and testimonials, even better, guys. Okay, but for the sake of this training, I'm just going to show you guys how you can go through actually promoting these products and making money. But in your case, I will always recommend that you kind of go through all the different things, make sure everything looks professional, make sure there's reviews and testimonials. Just make sure that the website and the products tick all those boxes before you go out there to start promoting. So, but anyway, for the sake of this training, we're just going to go ahead and use this product as an example. So I'm not here all day, because I'm sure you guys get the message. Okay, so let's say we wanted to promote this product. Then all you want to do, guys, is you want to hit that promote button. Okay, and then make sure that you select your nickname, and then at the bottom here, you can see that's going to automatically generate an affiliate URL link, as you can see. So that's your unique affiliate link. And as you can see, the affiliate link looks a bit, long. It's got a lot of characters there, and it's not something that you can easily remember, guys. So I would just copy that. What I always recommend you do is, create a spreadsheet or get a notepad where, especially if you're promoting so many products, just make sure that you have your links in a notepad or a Word document, or just save somewhere where you can easily find it and remember. Okay. Okay, so now you have your product links ready to go. The next thing that I strongly recommend that you guys do is look into actually creating your affiliate marketing website. Now, if you're just getting started, of course, you can skip the step, but it's obviously going to be harder for you to stand out from the crowd if you're only relying on just copying a bunch of links from Clickbank and posting them everywhere on social media, because those links, as you guys can already see, they look very spammy, right? And this is why so many social media platforms do not even allow you to post links. And if someone's trying to click on like an affiliate link via social media, some of the social media platforms no longer allow people to proceed to the website. They're actually going to get a warning saying something like this may be a dangerous link or dangerous website. And nobody wants to proceed to go to a dangerous website. If Facebook is telling you this website is suspicious or this link is suspicious, you don't really want to be clicking on that link, okay? And this is why I strongly recommend that you get a website. And to do that, guys, you want to visit this platform, Bluehost. It makes it so much easier for you guys to get your websites registered. And you can actually get a free domain name for the first year, a domain name that you own, something that appears professional. People will actually take you seriously. And social media platforms are not going to block your links, okay? And it's just a long-term asset for you as an affiliate marketer. And again, this is how you're able to stand out from the crowd, because you now have a professional business that you own. You are building a brand. You're no longer just out here being a side hustler trying to make a quick buck. Okay, so guys, with Bluehost, you can see you can get started for like less than $2 a month. I'll leave a link below this video. You can check it out if you want to sign up for your account. So if I just select that option, for example, then I'm just going to go ahead and then I'm going to go and create a new domain. I always recommend you go for a .com because it's more universal. I'm going to go ahead and do something like weight loss reviews 2024, do next. And as you can see, the domain name is available. And again, it's included free, guys. So you don't have to go out there and register for a domain name separately. And then all you want to do is just follow the instructions and create your account and complete that with your personal details, and just go ahead, guys, and activate your account. Again, I did another video, guys, a few months back where I was just showing you guys how you can actually go ahead and create your affiliate marketing website step by step. I'll leave a link here, so you guys feel free to check that out if you need help creating your affiliate marketing website. And for those of you guys who don't want to go through the stress of building your own websites from scratch, you can just go ahead and get a ready-made website in the niche of your choice, guys. Head over to Digital World Flippers, go to Done for You websites, and as you can see right here, these are ready-made websites that already come preloaded with products, dropshipping products, affiliate products. So these are ready-made affiliate websites that you can purchase. They've already been designed for you. And the beauty about those websites is the fact that you're also able to sell things like digital products, okay, that already come preloaded on the website. So for example, we are in the weight loss niche. So I'm just going to go with this one as an example. If I were to go ahead and actually, buy a website in the weight loss niche, that's potentially what I'll be looking at. As you can see, that's a keto dieting website. It actually comes preloaded with things like ebooks that I can sell, right? And then I can go ahead, guys, and start promoting all these affiliate products that, I found on Clickbank. For example, this is an affiliate product, and this is something that you can go ahead and add to your website moving forward as well. I can just get my website built for me, guys, preloaded with digital products. I can go make changes. I can add new products in the future. I can go ahead and promote my own affiliate products. It just speeds up the process of getting your Clickbank affiliate marketing website up and running. Okay, guys, for $4.97, you can actually go purchase a website and you can have your website up and running in less than 7 days. And if you're thinking $500 for an affiliate marketing website, think about it. This is an investment in a digital asset, right? That can continue to generate you income in the long run. Because think about it. If you're promoting a product that is paying you almost $150 for just one sale, right? Think about it. If you were to get just 5 people, right, a month, and that's doable, achievable with social media, if you can get just 5 people to buy this product, do you know anybody around you that is struggling to lose weight right now? Even around your circle, guys, you already have a ton of leads that could be interested in a product like this one, right? Let's not even talk about social media with billions of people in the world that are struggling to lose weight. And we are going to be using social media. We're not just going to be relying on your family members and friends, right? So there's a lot of potential with a product like this one. And if you were to invest in a website for less than $500, you can be making all that money back in no time. This is literally your long-term digital asset that can continue to make you 100 times this amount in the future, okay? So really think about it, guys. Now, again, if this is not for you, that's fine. You can check out my previous video where I share more information around how you can create your affiliate marketing website yourself, or you can go the quick way and just paste your links and hope for the best and hope that they don't get blocked by the social media platforms, okay? Now that we have a few products to sell and some links created, the next thing you want to do, guys, is we want to start creating some marketing content to promote your affiliate products. Okay, so in order to start creating marketing content, I strongly recommend that you guys look into creating Reels. It's going to be Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, or any short form video content. Now, to get started with that, of course, we need to create things like hooks that are actually going to stop people from scrolling on social media and get them to check out our products. So to do that, if you just head over to ChatGPT, again, this is a free AI tool. You just want to type in this prompt, guys, create 10 Facebook Reels. You can even do 30, 40, 50. I'm just going to start with 10 real hooks that will get someone struggling to lose weight to buy a weight loss supplement. So if I just do a search, okay, so these are some ideas that we could be using now to create those Instagram Reels. Now, in order to turn that content into video or into Reels, go to the platform called canva.com. Again, you can get started for free. I'll leave a link in the description. And then we're just going to type Instagram Reels. So the Instagram Reel template is actually the same as Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Is the exact same layout and dimension. I'm going to go ahead and start with a blank template, okay? Because what I want to do is I want to use videos that are relevant to weight loss. Okay, so if we just go to the left-hand side, and then what I'm looking for here is videos. Then I'll go to videos here, as you can see, right? Then I'm just going to search for something like weight loss. Okay, so this video looks pretty good. I'm just going to drag that video, guys. So that's obviously an amazing video that, showcases the lifestyle that we're trying to sell out here, okay? So let's go back to ChatGPT. So tired of diets that don't work, right? I'm going to use that, right? Let's go back to Canva. Then what we need to do now is we need to create a text. So if you go to the text, We go to text and then add a heading, right? I'm just going to paste that. So I'm going to go here. I'll go to elements. As you can see, this is not very visible. And then I'm going to add a shape. So let's just go there just to create that border. So I'm going to change that text to a white color so it pops out. Amazing. Then what you can now do is you can have another text with a call to action. I want to get that engagement, right? I want people to start leaving comments asking how, because that's also great for the algorithm. When people are engaging in your content, guess what? They're going to push out that content to even more people. Okay. Awesome, guys. So that's one piece of content that we have out there around our product. Remember, we're not telling people what the product is. We're not going to be out there saying buy Java Burn. Nope. We're just going to be talking about the solutions that a problem actually offers and actually touching on people's pain points that are potentially interested in this product. So now we have our Reels ready to go. Again, I recommend that you batch create a few of this. As you can see, we have quite a few prompts here on ChatGPT. We have up to 10. So you can go and use another one and then use another image in the video in the background and then use another kind of caption, just following all those different scripts that we now have here. And you can just batch create this. Congratulations. Now you have some amazing content ready to go. The next thing that we want to do is we want to start sharing this Reels on Facebook. The next thing we want to do is head over to Facebook. We are going to be promoting our Clickbank affiliate products on Facebook. So you want to go to your Facebook homepage and then you want to create a business page. Okay, you can actually do this in your personal profile or you can go ahead and just create a business page. And to do that, you can just click here to create a new page. I do recommend a business page. And the reason for that is because you can actually build your brand separate from your personal account and you can actually run Facebook ads, right? So when you start getting data, getting those views, engagements, now we can go ahead and actually scale this business by running Facebook retargeting ads, guys. This is how you stand out from everybody else out here just spamming links on social media to being a brand that actually promotes and sells weight loss products. Like, you know, that's what makes you the 1% of successful affiliate marketers out here. Okay. Again, key in your page name category bio and then create your page and then make sure that you have your website link in your bio as well. Okay. Because that just makes it more professional. When people come to your page, they can click on your link in your bio. Just want to go to your Facebook business page once it's created and then you just want to go to Reel. So I'm just going to drag and drop that video there. Then we're going to go next. So in your caption, you want to make sure that you're using those keywords, right? Another thing you want to put here is things like hashtags. Hashtags are actually going to help your content get found. So when people are going out there searching for weight loss related content, because trust me, a lot of social media platforms now work as search engines. So when you're using things like, you know, weight loss supplements, so if someone's searching for weight loss supplements, fingers crossed, we're hoping that Facebook is going to show our content to them because we are using those keywords in our descriptions, okay? That's just to give you guys an idea. You can see how easy and fast it is to do this. You can just go again, like I said, batch create this content, guys. So you're not out here trying to create content from scratch every single day. You can have a week's worth of content or even a month's worth of content if you've got more time in your hands. You can just batch create everything in advance, guys. And when you start sharing this content, people start asking you how in the comments, right? People are going to start asking you how in the comments. And then when somebody says how in the comment, all you're going to do, guys, is you're going to reply to their comment, right? Sending them to the link to the product, right? Okay, guys, here's an example of, you know, one of my reels here on my Facebook page. And just to show you guys how this thing works. So you can see that's the exact same thing I've done there. I've just told them to, you know, comment how. And someone has actually said how. You can see right there, someone actually said how. And guess what? All you're going to do, guys, is just reply to them with a link to your affiliate product. Okay, so if you're just sending them to your affiliate product, you can send them to that link and hope that Facebook is not going to block it, or you can send them to the link within your website. Because when you have a website, guys, you can see this is a website. This is not a Clickbank affiliate link. So Facebook is not going to block a link like this one. But for some links, I'm not saying it's not possible to send them directly to affiliate links, but Facebook can be a little bit funny when you're just sending them directly to those things. But you can try and see if it works out. And if it doesn't, again, like I said, I have a whole video around creating your Clickbank affiliate marketing websites as well. Or you can just purchase a website, guys, less than $500, right? And think about it, for less than $500, if you're getting paid $143 for just one product, right? Think about it. $500 is nothing. Like, that's a worthwhile investment because you're going to make all that money back with just 3 to 4 sales. Okay. And that's how you're able to promote your Clickbank affiliate products on Facebook. Okay. So I hope you guys found this video useful, with regards to making money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.